The greatest problem with people speaking out is fear. There is no doubt about it. Fear is what stops people, stops us from expressing ourselves. What will people think? What will happen? Even sometimes we are not able to define the fear properly. There is some inherent fear which is stopping us. What is that? Let's understand. Is it good? Is it bad? We all are within the safety nest because of fear. Imagine a little child, a toddler, a 4-year-old, 5-year-old toddler is fiddling around a swimming pool or is being careless around the edges of the balcony of a building. What do you think could happen? Disaster, right? Absolute disaster could happen. It is the fear of falling down, of drowning. That's what keeps the child within the limits of safety. Simply, fear ensures we are out of danger's way. So wherever we feel a sense of danger, fear crops up. Fear crops up. The sole purpose of fear is ensuring survivability and longevity, because life itself is about being alive, is about survival and living as long as we can, longevity. Fear is good, absolutely. From a natural perspective, from an evolution perspective, fear is good. But, and that big but is, only to a certain extent, only where extreme losses in terms of health, well-being and finance are concerned. That's where fear is good. As a grown-up, mature individual, to be afraid of extreme losses in terms of health, there could be life dangers, there could be, death threats or anything, or finances could be, exposed. Vulnerability is where fear is okay. Otherwise, every other place, for example, public speaking, it's unnecessary. It's absolutely unnecessary. Fear is an unnecessary burden that needs to be shut off. To completely put it as simply and bluntly as that.